Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. Turn up. So I am going to show you this simple lock hairstyle today that I did to jazz up my boring butterfly locks. I did a nice cute half up, half down hairstyle, and then I decorated my locks with some hair rings and seashells. If you're interested in seeing how I did it, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you the before and after with my butterfly locks. This is the before, and then I'm going to show you how I took them to a little bit cuter, more trendy type of hairstyle. I was getting bored with the locks. They're getting kind of loose, as you can see. I've had them in for about two and a half weeks at this point, and I'm ready to jazz them up, and I'm going to do it very affordably with some hair accessories from Amazon. So these are the hair accessories that I'm going to be using. They will be linked in the description box below. I believe I got all of these hair accessories for like under it was like $11.99, I believe, something very, very affordable. I remember that. And I really like these. These are hair rings, and these are something that you can easily add to locks to spice up the style and to make it more unique. You can change them out. You can do some days with the locks, with the accessories, some days just plain, whatever you would like to do. I wouldn't leave these in for too long because they're not real, of course, real gold, so they do start to change color. So that is something to keep in mind, but they're really easy to remove, so it's not that big of a deal. And then since my locks are getting a little loose at the top, as you can see, I'm going to also spice them up with a scrunchie. Scrunchies are another thing that I really like to use that are very affordable. Once again, from Amazon, you can get a pack of so many scrunchies for such a good price, and it's a nice, cute way to add something special to your locks. So that I'm just going to put half of them up in a high ponytail on the top of my head and arrange them nice and cutely. And yeah, I'm going to pull some of my locks back just to make sure none of my braids are showing, you know, the deal. And then I'm just going to continue to add more hair rings to the style.
Sorry I kept you waiting forever and a day, but now we're out here together with nothing standing in our way. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us? This energy's inside us like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Like electricity.
So yeah, guys, that's basically it. I just wanted to show you a fun way that you can spice up your lock style. When you get tired of it just hanging down straight and being all black and nothing fun or funky in it, this is something that you can do to spice it up. I was actually going out this night to hang out with some friends, so I wanted to do something a little bit cute and a little bit funky and a little bit trendy. And this is something simple and affordable that you can do to spice up your lock style, accessorize, and add a scrunchie. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I cannot wait to hopefully see y'all in my next video. And yeah, have a good one. I'll see you next time. Bye.
This feeling's got me on fire. Don't ever leave it all behind. Can you feel the attraction?